What is up, guys? Today we got another vacuum cleaner to review, and this time it's another Bissell. So this time we have is the Bissell Powerforce 1739 bagged upright. Now, in the last video, I did the review on the Bissell Powerforce 3522. So if you want to check that out, stop this video and check out the last vacuum video I just did on the 3522. Well, other than that, let's look at this one. Now, this Powerforce is really different than the old one. So this is actually one of the newer Bissell Powerforces because this is actually the one that's in stores right now. So, the story behind this, let's take a look at it. Now, there are a few differences with this Powerforce compared to the old one. So here's the bag door. It uses the same exact bags as the 3522. There we go. And right here, there's a fan on the bottom. This has no headlight and no bag check indicator. Oh, and I forgot to mention, on the video of the Powerforce 3522, that one does not have a bag check indicator. The variants I told you about were the 3522-3, -4, and -5. Those have bag check indicators. But this one here does not have one like this one does. I mean, this one does not have a bag check indicator. So anyways, so here's the bottom floor plate. It has the same 5 height adjustment settings as the older Powerforce. And here's the cord. And what's different? Hold on. And what's difference? And what? I don't know how to say this, but what the difference is between this cord and the cord on the 3522? This cord is on the left side, and while the cord on that one is on the right side. And this cord is in good condition. And let's see. And here is the other side. So if you look right here, this extension wand is shorter than the 3522. But the crevice tool is the same exact size as the 3522, but this one's in a different color. It's gray, and while the extension wand on the 3522 is black. Okay. Let me set that right here. Now, let's take a look at the back. This hose is a lot stretchier than the hose on that one, because this hose right here is so long. I don't know if it can reach up the ceiling, but yeah, if you have the extension wand that belongs to it, it'll reach up that high to the ceiling. You just clip that on. There we go. And it has a different dusting brush right here. This is just a dusting brush only. It's not a dusting and upholstery combining tool like the Powerforce 3522. But if you have this vacuum and the 3522, you could probably use both attachments on it because it's the same company. Oh, there we go. Sometimes this is just a little hard to put on. Yeah. And the power switch is a foot pedal power switch than the 3522 because you just use your foot to turn on the power switch while you use your finger to do the power switch on the side of the 3522. And the model sticker's right here, if you can see it. There it is. Hold on. There we go. I just have to tilt it a little. See if it'll focus. Not sure if it'll focus. Alright. There we go. Alright, almost. Alright, yeah, you could see it a little bit, but let me just do this. Alright. See if we'll focus. There we go. So this one is a model 1739 from the year 2020. This vacuum originally came out the year of 2018, I think. If that's the right year, then this might have come out in 2017, 2018, or 2019. I'm not sure, but this has the year 20 on it. So this one has the same volts as the same HZ as the Powerforce 3522, but it's got 8 amps on it instead of 12. So this one might have a silent motor on it than the old one, because with these 8 amp motors, they're actually a little louder than the 12 amp motors. Okay. Alright, let's tilt the vacuum down, and I'll show you the brush roll. The floorboard and the brush roll and bristles are black and blue, which it's a really nice color. Like, I've seen, I don't know if there's one that's in black and purple, because there's like a lot of them that's like blue and purple at the same time. Okay, so actually with this fan, while the machine is running, the fan is really powerful. So powerful, it might blow stuff away. Alright, now let's get on with the machine running. Go. Alright, let me just take the plug off. Alright, alright, there we go. It's set to off, because with these floor power switches, sometimes if you plug in the machine and if the machine automatically turns on, then it might just scare you, but it's off. There we go. Alright, so this one might be less louder than the Powerforce 3522. Alright, off we go. Whoa, did you see that? Some of my wrappers just flew away. Yeah, what you just saw there was like candy wrappers on here, and that fan just like blew it off like crazy. So that was kind of a silly moment. Anyways, that was the Bissell Powerforce 1739. And maybe like in the next video, I am actually gonna do like a face-off against this vacuum cleaner and the 3522. So, stay tuned for that.